Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Evolve Oxygen. First, let's get your Evolve Oxygen device ready for use. Carefully unpack all components and ensure everything is present. Connect the power adapter firmly to a wall outlet. Next, fill the humidifier bottle with distilled water, making sure not to exceed the maximum fill line. Finally, attach your nasal cannula or oxygen mask to the oxygen outlet port. This ensures a comfortable and effective oxygen delivery experience right from the start. Now that your device is set up, let's turn it on and adjust the settings. Press the main power button to activate the unit. Use the control panel to set your prescribed oxygen flow rate, typically measured in liters per minute. The clear display will show your current flow rate and battery level. Always check the tubing for any kinks or obstructions to ensure a smooth and consistent flow of oxygen. This step is crucial for effective therapy. Proper maintenance is key to the longevity and effectiveness of your Evolve Oxygen device. Clean your nasal cannula or mask daily using mild soap and warm water, then air dry completely. Remember to replace the distilled water in the humidifier bottle every 24 hours to maintain hygiene. The air filter should be washed weekly and replaced every 6 months. Store your device in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to protect its components. Safety is paramount when using oxygen therapy. Always keep your Evolve Oxygen device at least 10 feet away from any open flames or heat sources. It is critical to never smoke or allow others to smoke while the oxygen unit is in use. If you experience any discomfort or unusual side effects, please consult your doctor immediately. For technical issues or persistent alarms, do not hesitate to contact customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.